Developing a sales plan. Developing a sales plan is a critical step in the sales process that involves creating a roadmap for achieving sales goals and objectives. The sales plan outlines the strategies and tactics that will be used to generate leads, build a relationship with customer, and close deals. In this section, we will explore the importance of developing a sales plan, discuss key considerations when creating one. One key benefit of developing a sales plan is that it provides a clear direction for the sales team. A well-defined sales plan helps the team to provide and focus their efforts on activities that are more likely to generate results. This can increase productivity and efficiency, leading to better sales outcomes. Another benefit of developing a sales plan is that it helps in identifying potential challenges and opportunities. By considering factors such as the target market, competition, and resources available, the sales team can develop strategies that are tailored to the specific needs and circumstances of the business. This can help to mitigate risks and take advantage of opportunities that might otherwise be overlooked. When developing a sales plan, there are several key considerations to keep in mind. First, the plan should be aligned with the overall business strategy. The sales plan should support the broader objectives of the company and be consistent with its values and mission. Second, the plan should be based on thorough understanding of the target market and customers' needs. By conducting market research and analyzing customer data, the sales team can develop strategies that are tailored to the specific needs and preferences of their target audience. Thirdly, the plan should involve or include clear and measurable objectives. Objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, otherwise known as SMART, to provide a clear target and means of tracking progress. Fourthly, the plan should include a detailed action plan that outlines the specific steps that will be taken to achieve the objectives. The action plan should be comprehensive, covering all aspects of the sales process, from lead generation to closing deals. Fifth, the plan should involve a budget that outlines the resources required to implement the strategies and tactics outlined in the plan. This can help to ensure that the plan is realistic and achievable, given the resources available. Finally, the plan should include a system for monitoring and evaluating progress towards the objectives. Regular monitoring and evaluation can help to identify areas for improvement and ensure that the sales plan remains aligned with the overall business strategy.